Example 2. A force of 30 root 3 Newton is applied on a block of mass 3 kg as shown below. The coefficient of friction between the wall and the block is 1 by 4. The frictional force acting on the block is. So what direction and how much magnitude the frictional force acts on it if the coefficient of friction is 1 by 4. So let us see. So mu value is given, which is 1 by 4 between the block and the surface. Since we are applying 30 root 3 at an angle 30 degrees, so we can divide the force into its components. Even this is also 30 and this is, so what we get, 30 root 3 sine 30 and 30 root 3 cos 30. So here 30 root 3 cos 30 is pinning the block against to the wall, whereas 30 root 3 sine 30 is acting in the upward direction. But its own weight will act downward, which is whose mass is 3 kg. Therefore 30 newtons will act downward direction. So upward direction is 30 root 3 sine 30 and downward direction, which is 30 newtons. So 30 root 3 sine 30 will be 15 root 3 newtons. So 15 root 3 newtons is lesser than 30 newtons. Obviously the friction will act in the upward direction to keep the block stable. So what we can write, friction plus 15 root 3 should be equivalent to 30 newtons. So this is in equation 1. And the equation 2, let us calculate the friction. Friction is equal to mu into n. So mu is 1 by 4 and normal is nothing but 30 cos 30, because normal will act in this direction and 30 cos 30 is acting in the exactly opposite direction. So 30 root 3 cos 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 15s are. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 15 45. So 45 by 4, which is friction. So let us substitute friction. Let us calculate the friction value here. So friction is equal to 11.25 newtons. So what is the direction of friction? Upward, and magnitude of friction is 11.25 newtons.